And I'm back with another Disney Princess Play box. Let's see what's inside.
Uh-oh. There you go. What's that?
A Rapunzel water bottle.
Oh, cute. Does it have a straw? Or a sippy? Oh, straw.
Mm-hmm.
Big girl cup. All right.
It has Disney princesses on it.
Oh, let's see. Oh, let me see what it says. Believe in yourself. Oh, that's so cute. And what's that? Is that your favorite color, green?
Yeah.
How'd they know? Your favorite color?
My favorite color.
And pink.
Pink.
That's right. What else is in the box?
It's a Disney princess.
Look, please throw blanket.
Yeah.
It's just a little blanket
like
for watching TV.
Like it has a little
We'll have to open
rainbow.
it. See what's inside. Let's see. On this it shows. Oh, it's Belle with her horse. Oh, with her dog. And it says, I love animals. Oh, cute. That picture right there, that square, that's what's on the blanket.
And this is her horse.
Yep, that's her horse.
And her horse is gold. And it has pink hair.
Oh, cute.
And it has a little pink tiara. And it has
It's a cute
little
horse.
gold earring.
Oh, that's way cute.
And they both have like flowers on them.
Very cute.
Let's see what else inside.
Whoa, what's that?
It's like a backpack.
A little
and
backpack?
It has like stuff to brush your hair with, and a little mirror, and little clips at the top, and like hairbands. And,
Oh,
like,
turn it this way so we can see.
And there's like some
Oh.
like
Princesses?
yeah, princesses.
Oh, on the
that are
hairband.
erasers.
Well, it's not an eraser, it's just a hairband. It's just a decoration on your hairband, so that would be on your ponytail. Princess Belle or Princess Cinderella. Cute.
Let's see if they put something inside.
I don't think there is, but we'll open everything and show again, so let's see what else is in the box.
I don't think you can open it.
You can open it. It's just, I think that's all that's in it.
It's goggles.
Whoa! Are those Belle goggles?
Mhm.
Oh, they have Belle on them. Oh, and Cinderella on the eyes. You see?
Mhm.
Oh, cute. And you love to swim, so perfect.
And it's a little bag.
Oh, yeah.
I can use this for Halloween.
Oh, trick-or-treating, yeah. You can put all your princess stuff in it. Is that it?
Wait, no.
That's the box. Fun. Okay, now we'll get everything out and show you guys one more time. We'll be back.
My shirt on.
Yeah, we'll be back.
I'll
Wait.
be back. Hi, I'm back, and I have my shirt on.
Ooh, looks cute.
And my mom opens these.
Oh, yeah. All the cute hair clips.
I'm gonna clip them. There.
Cool.
And all these.
Show us your goggles.
Okay.
Put them on. Just a quick show me what it looks like on your eyes. Princess, cutie pants. I love it. Want to show us the blanket?
Mhm. Kind of doesn't fit me.
It's no. Come over here. Just pick it up and hold it right here to show. Nope. I have it this way. Oh, look. It says, I love animals. That's cute. Is it soft?
Mhm.
So soft.
This is what it looks like.
Does it feel so soft?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it has little hearts.
Very cute. If you guys want to get a Disney Princess Play box like this, just check out the link below in the comments or the description. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.